Life is short. If we do not use it wisely, it will slip away before we even realize its worth. The words of Seneca, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, still resonate deeply today. Let his wisdom guide you.
It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. He who is brave is free. Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. Wealth is the slave of the wise. No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. As is a tale, so is life. Not how long it is, but how good it is what matters. Begin at once to live and count each separate day as a separate life. To be everywhere is to be nowhere. Associate with people who are likely to improve you. While we are postponing, life speeds by. He who has great power should use it lightly. Time discovers truth. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. If a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable. Life, if well lived, is long enough. Silence is a lesson learned from the many sufferings of life. Sometimes even to live is an act of courage. A gift consists not in what is done or given, but in the intention of the giver. The bravest sight in the world is to see a great man struggling against adversity. He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary. We are more often frightened than hurt. What fortune has made yours is not your own. The greatest wealth is a poverty of desires. Do everything as if it were the last thing you were doing in your life. No man can be wise on an empty stomach. He who is everywhere is nowhere. Fire tests gold, adversity tests brave men. Nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. It is the power of the mind to be unconquerable. Do not stumble over something behind you. Only time can heal what reason cannot. It is not what you endure that matters, but how you endure it. A wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be. You act like mortals in all that you fear, and like immortals in all that you desire. No one can lead a happy life if he thinks only of himself. One should count each day as a separate life. Throw me to the wolves, and I will return leading the pack. Anger, if not restrained, is frequently more hurtful to us than the injury that provokes it. Nothing is ours except time. The mind that is anxious about the future is miserable. To wish to be well is a part of becoming well. A kingdom founded on injustice never lasts. Expecting is the greatest impediment to living. Live among men as if God beheld you. Freedom is the reward of self-discipline. He who seeks wisdom is already wise. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. Whoever is capable of angering you becomes your master. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. What need is there to weep over parts of life? The whole of it calls for tears. The soul is never more satisfied than when it resigns itself completely to its fate. We learn not in school, but in life. You must live for another if you wish to live for yourself. Leisure without study is death. Refrain from following the example of those whose crimes are veiled in riches. Man is affected not by events, but by the view he takes of them. The man who does something under duress is not patient, but cowardly. Nothing deters a good man from doing what is honorable. Every night, before going to sleep, reflect on your day. One of the most beautiful qualities of true friendship is to understand and be understood. Life without virtue is like a tree without fruit. The best way to avenge yourself is to not become like the wrongdoer. A fool is known by his speech, and a wise man by silence. Think of yourself as dead. You have lived your life. Now, take what's left and live it properly. No one is crushed by misfortune unless he has first been deceived by prosperity. If virtue precedes us, every step will be safe. Every crime is the result of some defect of understanding. Live immediately.